Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe for some parsley oil that adds a nice herb flavor to dishes, and it also looks amazing when plating. It's just a bright green color that really pops on the plate. You can also use it when grilling, for example. I like to drizzle it over a steak or chicken or lamb. I also like to use it on marinades. You can also follow the exact same method with different herbs. You can use cilantro, you can use dill, you can infuse it with garlic. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started.
You'll need 1 bunch of parsley and olive oil. First, wash the parsley. Then heat up some water with about a teaspoon or so of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the parsley and boil it for 8 to 10 seconds. Then, remove it from the pan and add it to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Then, drain it over some paper towel. Give it a nice squeeze to squeeze out as much water as you can. Add the parsley to a blender. Then, add 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup of olive oil. As I mentioned in the beginning, you can use this exact same process with different herbs as well. You can use cilantro, dill, basil, mint, chives, between others. Blend it well over high speed until it turns a bright green color. Strain it through a very fine mesh sieve. You can also use a coffee filter or a double cheesecloth. You can use a spoon to mix the solids, but do not press it through the sieve. You only want the oil to go through. That is it, the parsley oil is ready. The oil can be stored in a closed container for up to 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. Use the oil when plating dishes that are complemented by the herbs you're using, in salad dressings, aiolis, marinades, or to drizzle over grilled meats. That is it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.